So hey guys, this week I'm gonna talk about when you should be adjusting ad placements for your manual campaigns. As a quick recap, remember that what ad placements are and which types you have available to you. So first of all, you have top of search, and then you have product pages, and then you have rest of searches. Now, only the first two, meaning top of search and product pages, can you go in and adjust the percentage for the ad placement. So the tips I have for you this week is basically if you have an exact match campaign that is already performing well. So if you don't have one that is doing well, this is not a tip you should be applying as of yet. Having said that, if you have an exact match campaign that is performing well, your ACoS is where it should be and the conversion rate is where it should be, you should not be touching the bids or the budget at this point. What you should be looking at is the ad placement for either top of search or product pages. So I'm gonna go over top of search first. So under the tab for placement, you look at the performance for the top of search or the first page. And if it is doing well, meaning your conversion rate is good and your ACoS is reasonably good, then you wanna go ahead and adjust the percentage. So I would start off by doing 20%. Giving the bid a little bit flexibility to appear more on the top of search to see how it performs there. So this is the tip. You have an exact match campaign performing well. You stop adjusting the bids. You stop messing with the budgets. All you want to adjust now is the ad placement. Put it 20% and give it a week and see how it does. So this is it for this quick tip. I hope you find it valuable. If you have any comments, questions, please feel free to leave them below and I'll get back to you. Okay? See you tomorrow.